Hermit Crab by G. Morrison. A sooty, watery, soft-bucket recluse spends his heel life flitting fae hoose to hoose. He covers his dope with an all-team shawl, and his lifestyle dictates it is nobody's ball. He sits at the door and his eye looking out, in case there's a squatter to gie him a boot. Van his second meer space he's to move out again, for a bigger team shawl to maak into his hame. But in DNA swap he becomes fair game for a hungered fish that never a tame. He maks his move and hauls out his dope, van buttocks and podlies are scrambled to feed, but a codlin swallows him down in one gulp. So we're poor Hermit Crab is sadly no deed.